Good day, everybody. Trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. I know we're in December. I've realized it's not how you start the year, it's how you end the year. I'm here to tell somebody, don't look at your beginning, look at your end. Your beginning was a rough patch, but your end will be greater. And then I also wanna bring this word in, delayed but not denied. You've been delayed in a lot of things in your life. You've been delayed in your workplace. You've been delayed for that promotion. You've been delayed for that promotion. You've been delayed for what God has for you. Today, I would like to encourage you. You're not denied. Go back again. Go back. Apply again for that promotion. Apply again for that house. You've been declined by the bank. You've been declined everywhere. But I'm here to tell you, delayed but not denied. I'm here to say, there's some people walking with the sword. I failed in life. A failure is not a failure. A failure is someone that stand up and do it again. I'm reminded by a boxer. When a boxer fights, he take the punch, he get back up to say that I will win this. I'm here to tell you, delayed but not denied. The enemy is print a lot of things in your mind and said you will not make it. But I'm here to tell you, you can make it, you will make it through the grace of God. This year has been difficult for many. You lost loved ones. You lost everything. They stole your car. They stole your business. They stole your money. But you're coming back greater and stronger. What if 2026 will be your year? What if December can be your greatest December, and into the new month it can be great? I'm here to encourage and I'm here to tell somebody, you say you only have this much to go on, but I'm here to push you, I'm here to motivate you, I'm here to tell you as a pilot, delayed but not denied. Your end is better than your beginning. Your miracle is at the brink. Your new day is on the horizon. Never look at that surface level, but look at it in the ways of God. Look at it in the eyes of God. I'm here to tell somebody watching this, you can make it. You will make it. December will be a great month for you. And into the new month of January, it will be a great month. Many people say December and January is a difficult month. No. Get that out of your mind. Put this in your mind and tell yourself, Lord, I know something great is going to happen for December. Lord, I purchased this, but I don't know how I'm going to pay it. Lord, I'm worried about this. Cast your cares upon the Lord. Cast your cares upon Him. Surely everything will turn out. It won't always be like this. But sooner or later, it will turn in your favor. I'm here to tell somebody, you've been delayed in all areas of your life as you could think. Delayed. But I'm here to tell you, you've never been denied. Your time is coming. Your time shall come. It's on the horizon. I'm here to encourage you with this last word. December will be your month. In the new month, 2026 will be your month. Go for that. Do not forget to pray and see. God is going to do it. I'm here to bless you. So, be blessed.